Here's a Harbor Breeze Valdosta, and the first time I've ever got to review such a fan like it. This one's at Lowe's. Pretty nice fan, and unlike your normal ceiling fan, it's controlled by a knob. So why don't we turn it on low? Oh wow. Nice breeze. Medium. And high. Nice. Nice breeze as well. Quieter than the other Keach fans. There's not much else to say about this fan, so let's see the spin down. So that's really all to say about the Harbor Breeze Valdosta. Like, subscribe, and enjoy. Here's the box.